my channel. My name is Tanisha and in today's video I created the smoky eye. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this look, then please keep watching. But first, please subscribe, help a girl out. You know the drill, the button is down there. So yeah, please subscribe. I'm gonna start off by using the Body Shop Vitamin C Glow Protect Lotion. I'm not gonna use primer because it really doesn't work for my skin. Applied tape on my eyes. I have applied concealer so that the eyeshadow shows and stays. I don't have eye primer, so that's what I did. I'm gonna use the Proceed with Caution palette by Colourpop. Flower Beauty eyeshadow palette. This is a very old palette, but I'm going to use this shade. Now I'm gonna remove my tapes, apply my lashes and clean my face because I have a lot of black fallout all over my face. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter. going to use the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation. I'm in this shade Cappuccino, Golden Cappuccino. For concealer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and the Maybelline Age Wine Concealer. I'm using the Wet n Wild Color Icon Brow Pencil. I'm going to use the Seven Heavens lipstick to complete. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the look I created. Please comment below if you have any video ideas that you guys want me to do. Please subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed, hit the notification bell.